Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make this incredibly delicious vegetarian chili using Beyond Meat Crumbles. For those who are not familiar with Beyond Meat Crumbles, I will insert a picture above. This vegetarian chili is packed with proteins, loads of beans, and very satisfying. Even meat lovers will enjoy. If you've already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. And for those who are watching for the first time, please consider subscribing. I will leave a full list of all the ingredients I'm using in the description bar below. In a large saucepan, heat 1 teaspoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add your onion, garlic, and sweet pepper. Season with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Stirring occasionally until your sweet peppers are starting to become tender. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and this is completely optional, followed by 2 packs of Beyond Meat Crumbles. Mix really well until everything is fully combined. Once the Beyond Meat crumble is mixed in well, I'm next adding 1 full packet of McCormick chili powder. If you can't find McCormick chili powder in your local grocery store, I will leave below in the description bar a recipe for a chili powder you can make at home. Go ahead and give that a really good mix. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of vegetable stock. You can also substitute with 1 cup of water. Next, I'm adding 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, followed by 1 15-ounce can of black beans, which I previously washed and drained. Next, I'm adding two 15-ounce cans of chili beans. Mix really well, cover and simmer on low heat for 30 to 45 minutes, stirring occasionally. My chili has been simmering for approximately 35 to 40 minutes. If you want your sauce to be a bit thicker, go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to a quarter cup of water. Mix that in really well until you have your desired consistency. Once your chili is ready, transfer it to a serving dish and add your favorite toppings. You can serve your chili over white rice, or you can also serve with nachos or simply enjoy as is. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do consider subscribing. Until next time, bye guys.